Today we are assembling Abe's Mario Kart gift that he received from his birthday last March, but we never got to unbox it, so we're doing it today. Okay, let's put it together. Instructions weren't very helpful. It doesn't have any like words in it. You just have to figure it out yourself, but we finished it. So here's the spinners. And let me see the two toys, Abe. There's two little cars that are gonna race. I think this track. And then there's like over there's some decoration. And there's speech, and then there's a charger thing for the remote. Where's the other remote?
I have it. Here, wait.
Okay, with the other remote.
Here, wait.
And it looks exactly like the picture. Oh, sorry, let's show the picture. So that is the picture. Okay, are you done, Naomi? Be careful with that wire, Naomi. It's gonna break easily. And where's that? Give me that logo.
Logo?
Mario Kart. There you go. So that's our Mario Kart. Problem is it needs 4 Type-C batteries, and we don't have a 4 Type-C batteries, so too bad. We gotta go to the store, Abe, and buy some Type-C batteries. Sorry, buddy. But you can still play Mario in the cart. See, look. Just keep him in the line. Look. You gotta keep him in the line. Mario, be careful with this spinners. It's not very sturdy.